Facebook, you can't send friend requests right now. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on what you can do and how the Facebook you can't send requests right now error appears. If you're currently not able to send requests, then it's usually because you recently sent a lot of friend requests. Now if you're ahead of a year and on the friends icon, if you scroll down, you'll be able to add friends. Now if you send a lot of friend requests in a few hours of time, then Facebook will automatically block you from sending any more requests. Now if the requests you have sent have gone unanswered, or if they have not been accepted, this might also be the reason that you are unable to send friend requests. If it's the reason that you are banned, then you can't lift the block early. However, it's temporary and it will end automatically within a few days. Now you don't need to do anything, you just need to wait for a few days and then you can send friend request back again. But do remember that if you send more requests at a certain amount of time and mostly unanswered friend requests, then you might get blocked again. So make sure you are sending friend requests from time to time, not spamming that friend request button much. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.